All right, so in this video, we're going to do a little problem solving. A student has said, hey, how do I copy and rename an entire project when I have one of these projects that has starter files, or if I've done the programming tutorial and now I have to create the modify this version of it. So here I'm in a sample directory. I've called it example, and I have the Olivia solution, which is the programming tutorial 1. And notice this is a folder. I have the entire folder. And if we go into that folder, we will see the various project files. I'm not going to dig all the way down in that. Let's go back up one level. Okay, and so let's assume that the tutorial is now working, and I need to do the next step, which is there's an exercise called Olivia solution modify this. Okay, so I can just take and copy the entire folder with all of its structure, right click and paste. Now I'm pasting the whole thing, not a shortcut, and it will make a copy, and by default it will name it copy, and then I can take that folder and I can rename it. And I'll just back down here and Olivia solution modify this. Okay, so all I have renamed here is the folder containing everything. So if inside this, we still see the original Olivia solution has not been renamed at all. The SLN file has not been, it's not necessary to rename that. I don't care that the original Olivia solution was named this and that the modify this version is named that. That's just fine. And so now making sure, I backed up again, making sure that I'm in the copy, which is the modify this, I can now double click the Olivia solution. It will start Visual Studio. It'll load the project. It's not necessary for me to rename any of the files or any of the objects that are part of this solution. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Solution Explorer. All right, and so here's the Solution Explorer. And if I go ahead and take a look at main form VB, we'll get to the Visual Designer. And now I'm ready to start modifying the code. Double click the English, any of the code that I want to modify for this new version of the solution, and then I'm good to go. Once I have everything finished, I will make sure that I've saved everything, and I will close Visual Studio. So I'm not going to try and submit it while the files are open. That wouldn't be good. And let's come back one level. And here's the folder containing everything that I want to submit for my modified version. There's the original. This is the new one. And if I just right click and let's say send to a compressed or zipped folder, it will package that all up into a single file, and this is the file then that I want to submit to the assignment Dropbox or the exercise Dropbox for grading. That's it.